Hello everyone, and in today's video I will show you how to create student account in Qatar Airways. First, you'll have to go to the link that I'll leave down below in the description, and it will navigate you to this page. Now click on Privilege Club right here, then click on Student Club. After that, you will see here this page. Just click on Join Now and scroll down more, and here you will find all the details that you have to fill in order to create your own account. So you will have to add your email address, password, country code, mobile number, your title, first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, and your university or college details, and the enrollment promo code, and this is optional. Then verify that you are not a robot, then click on create an account. They will send you a verification code to your own email, just like this. You'll have to click on verify email. Then after that, after verifying, you'll have to log in using your account. And after logging in, they will ask you to choose a method to send you an OTP. I have chosen the email. Then they will send you the OTP like this. And after that, they will send you a congratulation message telling you exactly your membership number and congratulating you that you have verified your account. That's pretty much it. Support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.